All the magnets appear fine. As you can tell, there's no oops, chunks of magnets. Chunks of magnets broken at all. There is, however, you can see where the bolt hit here, where it backed itself out, and then it looks like it just rams itself around, but you can tell it hit that one because it's ground down pretty good, or at least that's where it caught. It probably hit there, skidded around when it worked itself out, and bam, just tore itself out right there. So everything else looks pretty well off, so off to the Harley Davidson shop.